Yeah, hello. So I just thought I'd do a quick video on how to use my link, for the bot. So the first instruction is you have to use my affiliate link. So you have to make sure that you're registered with my affiliate link. And the reason I'm saying this is first, at the moment, you guys are using the bot for free. And another thing is there are, for example, I showed you guys the trading view. So you actually saw what I am subscribed to. So in order for you guys to be able to use this, you also saw my subscription on Three Commerce. Basically, I'm not supposed to do this on Three Commerce. I have my own personal bot that I showed you. So I'm doing those two things without because of you guys. So the reason I'm asking is in order for you to use my bot, you have to be using my affiliate link on Three Commerce, and that is in case in the future you start to upgrade your account, then I earn, as you guys can see, whatever I earn is just a token, right? But it makes sense for me to earn from this bot rather than just giving it out for free. And eventually, if I notice that I'm still not earning, then I'm going to start charging for using my bot. But for now, the first instruction is use my affiliate link to register on Three Commerce, and then I think after that, you make sure that you go to my exchanges. So you can either click on this plus here, and then it's going to show up. Yeah, so you can do Binance for now. I well in the other videos you actually saw that I used Binance exchange. So at the moment, what I've done here is I created like another account with a different email in order for me to be able to show you how to use my bot link, because I'm unable to show you on mine because I'm already using mine as the main account, right? Like I just have to create a second Three Commerce account using a different email address in order for me to be able to show you how to use my bot. Okay, so I hope you guys understand that. So in order for you to add your exchange, so you can we don't need the screen, so created by don't worry about that. So exchange, you can either click on this or you just do click on this. There's two ways today, so I prefer this way because that way I can see Binance API key. So all you need is your Binance API key and your API secret, and then you click on connect, and that would connect your Binance account. At the moment I can't do that because I'm already doing that on my main account, so there's no point connecting my Binance to this account because I'm just using this account for the purpose of showing you how to use it. But if you want to see my account, it's already in the previous video that I recorded. So all you need to do is go to Binance, obtain your API key and your API secret, and connect. Right. So now the next step is. Hold on a second. Let me just grab the link. I think I already have it. So basically, you just click on the link. Yeah. So I gave you my bot link. So all you got to do is create on that link, and then it's going to open up a browser, right? So once it opens up a browser, I do recommend that you use a computer. I think you can use a phone, but my problem with mobile display, it never like displays all the information that you need, right? So I would recommend that you use a computer whenever you can, but if you can use a mobile phone, you can use that as well. Yeah, so maybe I'll get someone in the group to use a mobile phone, and then they can do a recording, and then they can share with others as well. But for me, I'm using the computer. I mean the desktop kind of a system, right? So once you click on that link, my bot link, so the first step is you sign up with my affiliate link, and then the next step is you connect to your exchange, Binance. I think there are other exchanges that actually, let's go through that. So let me just open the screen in a different screen. So you can do let's just see. Yeah. So Binance sport, yes, at the moment I'm trading spot only, right? So this bot is for spot only, no futures and no margin. You can try futures and margin, but I haven't tried those myself. So, and with that you have to set your stop loss and take very important to set your stop loss right in the futures and when using margin. So at the moment I'm strictly trading spot trading only. Okay. So let's take a look. So you can use it on Binance, you can use it on FTX, you can use it on Bittrex. You can use it on Binance US. You can use it on Bitfinex. You can use it on Bitstamp. You can use it on Coinbase Pro GDAX, right? You can use it on Gate.io. You can use it on Gemini. You can use it on Huobi. You can use it on Kraken. You can use it on KU Coin. You can use it on OKEX. Actually, you know what? I don't think you can use it on KuCoin. I think that's not right because I already tried and it didn't work. So anyway, so once you try and if it doesn't work, then you know you can't use it on that. But at the moment, I'm only using it on Binance. So if you have a Binance account, you might as well just connect it, right? So that's about that. So I'm gonna go back here. So once I send you my bot link, you just click on the link, or you can copy and paste in your browser like I just did. But it's the same way. Like if you just click on the link, it's gonna open up a browser. But if you have to make sure you complete the first and the second step, and then you have to be sure that you're also signed in as well. Okay, so basically it's just displaying my own kind of information now, so all you can see is just mine, right? So that like all of this is just my own information. So in order for you to use the bot, I already tried this. So because I wasn't sure, like, okay, if I share my link with someone, how are they going to be able to leverage on this and make use of it, right? So what you're going to do is click on copy. Okay, just copy, click on copy. It's going to say connect to exchange, but because you are already connected to an exchange, you're not going to get this message. But because I'm trying to show you on a different account, because once again, I had to sign up with a different email address in order for me to be able to show you how you can use my bot link. Okay. So for now, you guys will probably not see the screen because you're already connected, right? So you just say ignore. Sorry, you're not going to see the screen, so you don't have to do anything. But for me, I'm just going to say ignore and copy bot, and I'm just going to say ignore and copy bot as well. So basically, what it's just done is it's just going to use the paper trading account. So because I'm not connected to a live account on this one, I'm just using this to show you how to use my bot link. Okay. So the next step would be to edit the settings. So what you want to do is click on edit the settings. Okay. So I'll click on that. And then what you want to do next, yeah. So now you can change the name. So you can change it to whatever works for you. So I'm just going to say copy as is bot. Okay. So I just say copied SB's bot. Okay. SB's bot. Okay. So just whatever name works for you, that's fine. So here you're going to click on this and then you're going to connect to your Binance account. But for this purpose, it's connected to the paper account. But in your situation, I'm going to say connect to the Binance account. Okay, so you just click on that and you're going to see your Binance account. So don't mess around with any other settings. So just leave everything else as it is. So for me, because this balance on the paper account, it's saying 10,000. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep my 40 maximum of 40 trades. I'm just going to change this to 240. 240, and then I think I'll keep everything else as it is. Okay, and also I can keep this running as well, and you guys gonna see the results. Okay, so I'll just leave this as it is. So I'm gonna, so once again, you guys can change this to whatever work for you. So you can say, oh, I'm only able to trade maximum of 5 trades. That's fine. You can just say the maximum that you want to trade is 5. If the maximum you can trade is 10, you put 10. But for me, I want to put 40. Okay, and then what I've done is I'll get there in a minute. So take profit. I'll leave it as 1.5 for now, and just see how that goes. So what I'm gonna try next is the trailing stop. What I'm gonna do is I might create another account and try the trailing stop because I've never tried it. I'm not really sure. I've seen some people saying it doesn't work properly as it's supposed to. So I'm just gonna leave it as it is for now. Okay, I'm gonna leave everything else as it is. So the only thing I was just gonna say is that again, you can change this to 1 or 2 or 3, whatever works for you. For me, I'm gonna leave it as 2. Okay, so basically what I'm saying is, so I'm just gonna read it out so you guys can see. So by default, the bot is configured to allow a single deal to run at the same time per asset pair configured. If a new signal is received for an asset pair that already is used in an active deal by this bot, it will be ignored. So basically, all it's saying is if you put twos and you have 2 symbols already running, it's not going to open more than that, which is my style of trading. I want to do that. You can say you want to put 3 or you want to put 1, whatever works for you, that's okay. So for me, I'm leaving it as that. And I think that's everything. Okay. So I'm just going to click on create bot, bot save, and then make sure you click on start. So starts means that you want the bot to start. So if you just click on close, you just created a bot, but it's not going to do anything. Okay, but for me, I'm just going to click on start, and that means yep, so bot is turned on. So it means that you switched it on, right? So and then click on okay. That's it. That's everything, and then you can monitor bot performance. So right now the bot is turned on. So let me just be sure simultaneous. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, so let's see what date it says it was created. Oh, for me, it's saying that it was created today. Okay, good. So that's the bot name. You can leave it as it is. You can use the same name I use. So you can all, I mean, you can use the same name I used for my own, like I showed you in the second video. So you can actually be able to differentiate between, different kind of bots that I'm using, right? So, because I'm going to be using more bots and I'm going to be sharing with you guys as well. So someone asked a question that they get an email saying that their account is they have like 3 days or something for their account to expire. So what happens is once you sign up on 3 commerce, it gives you 3 days of free trial of the pro account. Okay, so basically, let me just show you. So you get 3 days free trial of the pro account. So after 3 days, 3 days, it's gonna bounce you back to the free account. So and obviously you can go to the website and see the differences because there's huge differences between the pro account and the free account, right? So eventually, I think from going on from next month, so I'm quite happy with the results that I'm getting from my bot. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to upgrade to the pro account. So at the moment on my own account, I'm using the advanced. So in order for me to have more than one multiple pair bots, then I'm going to have to go on the pro account. Okay, so let's see what that is. So oh, that's not bad. That's showing as 89 because for me it was actually showing as 99. Oh, well, so yeah, so that's basically what it is. So at the moment, once you register for the free account, you put on a pro account, but after 3 days, it's gonna downgrade your account all the way down to the free account. And as you can see, it says it's forever. Okay, so as long as you're using one bot, multi-pair bot, so I'm pretty sure you can use the free account. But for me, I'm going to be using more than one bot. I have so many strategies that I'm going to be trading. So for me, I'm going to be using more than one bot anyway. So that's pretty much everything. So your bot is running. Yeah, so you can literally edit the settings here. So you can always come back here if you want to edit the settings. Click on edit. Click on sorry, it's just loading. So yeah, so you can I would pretty much say you can leave the pairs as it is, but what happens is watch what's gonna happen. So you can clear and then you can manually enter your own. Oh, where is it? Yeah, so you can manually enter your own symbol, right? Or you can. So this is what I did. So I said USDT all. So now I started to remove some of the symbols that I don't want to trade. For example, Bitcoins. I'm not trading Ethereum. Like all the coins that the prices are really, really, really high. I'm not trading those. So and also I'm not trading any of these AAVE up or down, like all of these things I'm saying uni down, or whatever up. So I'm not trading all of this. So basically I just kind of streamlined my list to not include those, right? And that's pretty much what I did. So you can do that if you like, but otherwise I would just say just leave it as it is, just leave the default. Okay, so you can decide to trade maximum or whatever. I already explained all of those. I don't need to go back and explain all of that. So whatever, right? So once you put your mouse on this, it's going to tell you what it is, and then you can decide that okay, you want to do that or you don't want to do that. It's really up to you. So it's a big playing field, so you can decide to do what works for you. Okay, so that's about it, folks. I'm just going to go back. I'm not going to save this because it's gonna remove all the currency pairs. So I'm just gonna go back and yeah, so I'm back on this page, so nothing was changed. Okay, so that's about it, folks. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks. Bye.